Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Palak salad updated. Start by washing and drying fresh Palak thoroughly to remove grit and excess water. Next, remove thick stems and roughly chop leaves if large. Toss Palak with a simple dressing of lemon, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Add crunchy toppings like toasted almonds and pomegranate seeds for texture. Taste and adjust seasoning, then serve chilled or at room temperature for best flavor. For a bright dressing, whisk lemon juice with olive oil, salt, and a touch of sweetener if needed. Add minced garlic or a pinch of cumin for extra warmth and depth, and adjust to taste. If you prefer creamier texture, fold in a spoonful of yogurt or crumbled feta. Combine the dressing with Palak gently to avoid bruising leaves, then let flavors meld for a few minutes before plating to enhance the salad. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help me make more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while prepping salads or on the go. It seals well and looks nice on the counter. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Toppings make the salad memorable, so choose contrasting textures and flavors. Toasted nuts add crunch, while pomegranate or apple brings a bright pop of sweetness. Crumbled cheese like feta or paneer adds creaminess and savory balance. For a heartier plate, pair Palak salad with grilled chicken or fish, or enjoy it as a light vegetarian main. Finish with a scatter of herbs and a final squeeze of lemon for freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.